guys, it's me, Peter Gronvall, back with another vlog, and today you can probably understand that I'm in a different location right now. I am actually at my grandparents' house up by their lake. And since it's 4th of July, we're gonna have little exciting stuff over here outside, right out those doors. There's some water and there's the lake and stuff, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, so I'm now at my grandparents' house. You probably already saw like some traveling stuff, but yeah, there's the water. So we are just about to get our swimsuits on, and we're gonna head outside. They're doing a pontoon kind of floating thingy or whatever, and we're gonna just chill out in the water with my grandparents' new paddleboard that we got them. But you can see some kayakers, a boat there, and we're gonna watch the pontoon parade, and they're gonna come right along there and we're gonna see them. They're gonna pass out candy, maybe, I don't know. I don't think so though, possibly, no idea. I just said a lot of words right there, but yeah, we're gonna go have some fun in the water right there, and like chill out and I know I didn't film that much, but we got out of the lake right here. We just finished what do you call it? We just finished dinner. We just finished dinner up on the deck right here. That's where everyone else is, but we just finished that, and we are probably gonna watch the fireworks. Usually people that live behind that shed there, and then people about that dock or so do a lot of fireworks, so we usually watch them, but it is kind of hard to fall asleep because usually they go on till like 1 or 2 in the morning, so there's that. And yeah, we're just having a lot of fun, having a blast. My hair's still wet, but that's okay. And we're getting yeah, we're having lots of fun. And yeah, this is like the little area where I'm staying. I'm gonna be sleeping back there. My brother's there, and people are spread out without the house or whatever. But yeah, we're having a lot of fun with the lake. We like to do the paddleboard, which my grandparents had just gotten, and we got a few tubes and stuff just to float around, have fun. And always you got the dock to jump off of, or in my case flip off of, into the water. So yeah, also played croquet or whatever you call it. So yeah, we're gonna chill out just by the lake probably for a while until the fireworks start. And yeah, that's most likely what we're gonna be doing. But yeah, definitely a fun day. We're gonna also have a fun day tomorrow, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video also. And Under the legs. Hopefully. Gonna get here.
Whoa! Yeah!
Wow.
You get the tree.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I would love to film more, but we got that beautiful sunset right there. There might be another clip of it being really dark out and being like a lot of fireworks and stuff. But we caught some fish. We launched off some fireworks there and had a lot of fun. So yeah, hope you guys are gonna have a great 4th of July, or had a great 4th of July, and hope you guys will enjoy today's video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe down below if you're not already, and comment down below if you guys like to watch fireworks and stuff. So yeah.